So do you guys hear that noise coming from the gator? This is what it is. It's down in here somewhere. I can hear it clear as day. I don't know. It has to do with brakes, I know that. I can't see any wetness. Great. Just something else to go wrong, but when this thing goes to John Deere, I'm gonna have them do a front end alignment, fix all the leaks and stuff. Has anybody had this kind of problem before? It's not this line, it's one of these, it's one of these guys here on top. We got some road maintenance to go take care of today, this afternoon. One key when using a box blade is have that top link cranked all the way in to where there's hardly any threads left. One way of doing that to make it easy is lift up on the 3-point a little bit, just a little bit, and it'll make this handle ever so easy to crank. And I'm going the wrong way. It's better to do this with 2 hands so that way you can feel what you're doing. But you guys get the gist of it. There. And just like that, we're ready to go grade road. One thing I forgot to do that's important is adjust these turnbuckles up here to keep the blade from swinging side to side. That is a no-no when using a box blade. You don't want it going side to side on you, because you'll get all out of whack and everything, and it wouldn't make a very good road if it was all off center. That don't look too bad. Right up here is where it really starts. It's getting really bad. Now I just got to figure out what to do with these windrow leaves here along the drive. Might just go ahead and leave them. I kind of had a feeling that this was going to happen with bunching up the leaves and all that. Who would ever thought you'd be making dust in November? Man. Well, so much for trying to play grinding. they're all wet. They're not wanting to cooperate. You know what I mean? They're just all, they're just wet. They're smeary and that's what kind of light I bought. Put it on my New Holland, and it doesn't work anymore. It's junk, only, yeah, new. Thing's junk already. Well, guys, I told you last night in the comments on Ed Gosling's channel that I had bad news. Well, as of last night, November 11th, Veterans Day, Governor Dipshit decided that he was going to basically spank all of Ohioans and pretty much, you know, force businesses like us with the sand and gravel pit and everything to wear masks in the office and all that, and not allowed to help customers load straw no more if they need it, which part of me thinks that's a bunch of crap. And I like helping people, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see how that plays out. Used to load the straw box on Saturdays, you know, have the occasional customer come up and get a few bales or whatever. This whole thing is stupid. So I guess I'll be doing that on Sundays now. Just to try and play their stupid little game and everything, and this whole thing's stupid. I mean, okay, so why are we scared of a stupid virus when we know that God is king? And on that note, why are we all, you know, giving praise to man for this kind of crap when we all know, or I hope we all know, that God sits at the right hand of the throne of the Father in heaven, having a place prepared for us when our time is due. And it just I don't know, this whole thing I could care less about, honestly. I really could. So that light bar I put on this thing the other day, it broke already. Only half the LEDs work, which make me mad that I paid such good money for something and to have it only work half, you know what? Just makes me mad. So I don't know whether to keep running it like it or just buy something better. Maybe I'll buy the same darn thing and we'll see if that one breaks. I don't know, because I'm pretty happy with how bright this thing is. Well, guys, the other gator came home. Ooh, cool. It's all washed, all clean. Does it start any better? Ooh, it's even waxed. Cool as that. Better start better. Cool. don't get to sit there and crank on it. Love it. At least it will run better. Let's see, where was I this morning before I got sidetracked with work and everything? Oh yes, this whole mask thing is a bunch of crap. The only reason why these darn hospitals are calling this COVID-19 is so they can get more money, because it's a flippin' virus that people die from having other, keyword other, health problems and underlying conditions like asthma and stuff like that. It's just a bunch of nonsense, bunch of made up crap. Just why are we getting worked up about it? I'll tell you why. Because we don't put our faith and trust in God. Instead, we're putting faith in a stinking governor. There. The governor's not God. No. You'd be agnostic to think that. Or, I don't really know of any other religion that thinks that man is God besides agnostic, because they say that, is it agnostic or atheist? One of the two. They believe there is no God because they're too stubborn to let's see. They're too stubborn to believe that their way is wrong, and they need Christ to come to heaven. But that is a whole different scenario, a whole different hoopla thing like that. So I am sick and tired of the news. I cannot wait till I get my own place, because I won't watch the news. I try to tune it out of my parents' house, but it don't always work like that. Basically, all that I'm trying to do and have been is just let it in one ear and out the other. Is basically all that you can do. And it's all that you can do. So, don't really know of anything else to talk about. Oh yeah, it's the flu season. Duh. You don't have COVID-19 if you have the sniffles. It's just the common cold, guys. It's not COVID-19 like the media wants you to believe it is. It's a flippin' cold. It happens every year around this time, and winter into spring it happens. So just calm down, breathe. We don't need panic attacks, because I am not coming to help anybody that is having a panic attack. Even though I am trained in CPR and all that, I'm still not coming to help you, because one, I don't drive, so there. Well, if we think of anything else to rant about in the next video, we'll definitely talk about it. So if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and definitely share these videos and share them on any social media platform that you have. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.